Hey everybody, I am making a quick video to show you why I am almost exclusively covering all my paintings with resin. For starters, they are just gorgeous. The shine is amazing. And then like this one is, I think, a new favorite of mine. Here, I'll put it. And it really shows off if there's any iridescence in them. And this one's really durable. This is on a wooden, cradled wood and resin, so it's pretty bulletproof. And it just brings out the colors so fabulously. And as I said, if there's iridescence, so this has gold in it. And then this one. So just the appearance of it, I love it. So I wanted to show you a couple of my finished pieces and to show you why I am in love with art resin. Thanks for watching.